Hi, I'm David Herries. Thanks for joining me on this video where I'll walk you through how to donate to help support my idea of making learning guitar available to everyone. If you're happy to donate, then thank you. It really does mean a lot and it will allow me to continue with these live stream lessons. So follow the link or scan the QR code, and once there at ko-fi.com/David Herries, you'll see two options: one time and membership. And I'll take you through each of these now. So we're here on the one time tab, and you can donate at any time throughout the course here. We have three default amounts: £2, £5 or £10. Or if you want to donate another amount, you can simply highlight the number and overwrite it. To make it easier, I would suggest one larger donation per term rather than several smaller ones. And again, to do that, we'll simply overwrite the amount, type in what you can afford, and then hit the big red button. Now let's move to the membership tab. And I have a couple of options here which may work better for you. First is to donate £10 a month, or the second is to donate £20 a month. These donations will be made on a monthly basis and will continue until you decide to cancel them. To set them up, simply hit the join button and you'll be taken to the payment page. So once you've decided what's best for you, you can either hit the join button if you're on the membership tab, or if you're on the one time tab, you hit the donate button. Both will take you to the payment page. First option is to pay with a card, so you click on that button, type in your details and then click Pay Now, and that will make your donation. Or alternatively, if you prefer to use PayPal, click on that button. It may well open up a different screen, and then you can log in and choose your card and make your donation that way. Thanks again for watching and for any contribution you can make. It will allow me to continue these live stream lessons and help make learning guitar available for everyone.